Hello everybody, today is Tuesday, July 9th. It's my first video upload in a long time. I'm sorry about that. I was on vacation with my girlfriend and I just wanted to tap out, enjoy my vacation, but I'm back now. I'm going to be uploading very regularly, very consistently, so I am super excited to be back. But today, I wanted to talk about just a very important issue I've been having in my trading, something I really need to work on. And that is just avoiding erratic decisions when to enter. Because to me, I wanted to make trading an exciting thing, and I ended up gambling and hurting myself a lot. I trade small accounts, and people like Brett Donnelly will say it's very easy to gamble these small accounts, and anyone who has traded small accounts can probably relate to that. So, it really sucks because I'm just harming myself. Like, it goes back to that saying, it's not what you make, it's what you keep. And I could make money. I mean, I'm about to put out my review video of all the trades I took when I was gone. And on Friday, July 5th, I made like $500 in 30 minutes. But then I lost $700 in 15 minutes. Entering without a plan, being erratic, just hurting myself. I wiped out all my gains, and it really sucks. And some practical strategies that you can use to circumvent this and avoid making these horrible trades is don't trade on your phone, for one. You can watch my review video when it comes out on what I was doing wrong, but you want to be in a focused zone, like on a laptop, on a computer, in an environment that promotes focus. You have to have friction that prevents you from doing dumb shit. You have to have friction. That's the most important thing for a person like me who gets excited. One of my mentors, big influence on my trading, is Adam Grimes. And when I was talking in a group chat about this, he said, he used to interview a lot of traders, right? And he said people that said they wanted an exciting career, that was like an instant red flag. You're not getting hired, because if you want excitement, you can have that in trading, but you're not going to be successful, or it's going to, I haven't met a trader who, trading, like I've heard Stephen Goldstein talk about how trading is a very exciting field, like the most exciting. And it is exciting, but when you're in the act of it, it's got to be boring. It's got to be like focused and controlled. That's super, super critical. So, some practical ways. I already talked about not trading on your phone. I talked about being in a focused environment. You can wait for a second entry. You got to wait for the candles to close. Another thing, and this is the biggest thing for me that's helped me, is going to a higher time frame, making your entries based on the 15-minute chart and the 1-hour chart, and waiting for those candles to close. That is very helpful for me. You don't need to wait for the candle to close. Like, if it's an area that there's a lot of wicks, it's bounced out of this zone a few times already, that's fine, because there is support that's been bought a few times, or resistance that it's been rejected from a few times. But ideally, most of the time, generally, you want to wait for the bars to close, because it gives you more information. I mean, you can go back and watch my videos. I'm doing my whole journey from zero to hopefully hero. I want to become a profitable trader. And I don't know if there's any YouTube traders out there who started their journey when they were not profitable, started their YouTube channel. Like I want to, they probably are, and they just aren't very well known. Uh, but I want to be one that actually starts their channel and grows it without, like, I want the entire thing to be transparent and visible, and I feel like I'm getting pretty close. I mean, I have been doing this for 2.5 years. Um, I started my YouTube channel in January, and it's July, and I feel like I'm getting pretty close, but I still have a long way to go. Um, it's not a get rich quick thing, but uh, you know. Anyway, let me get back to the practical. So, waiting for the bars to close. One thing I'm going to start doing that a friend and mentor have suggested is um, talking out loud with yourself. So, having a conversation. And I'll give an example. Like when I was trading in the airport and I was up $500 and just super thrilled, stoked. Um, I was like, I was just really excited. My girlfriend was like, "Are you gonna take another trade?" And I was like, "Yeah, like this opportunity is too good to not pass up." And I mean, any trader watching this can relate and probably to that feeling and know. Anytime you're sure about something, like, oh, this is definitely gonna happen, you probably shouldn't take the trade. That should probably be like an emotional tripwire, especially after some winning. That ancient samurai saying, after victory, tighten your helmet straps. Um, I was just had some winner's tilt, some house money effect, and I ended up blowing it all. So having conversations out loud with yourself and going, hey, do I really want to take this? Like, is it really good? Because I know I'm having this instinct, this urge to go long here, but it's been pushed down pretty hard right now, and it looks like it's getting pushed down again. The support, yeah, I know you feel like you need to buy it right here, but it's being pushed down hard. This isn't exactly an environment where support will hold. Um, and yeah, I used a wide stop, and I had two contracts. It was an RTY trade, which I'm not super experienced trading RTY. I mainly specialize in S&P and NASDAQ, so yeah, stupid stupid of me. I have a bit of a cold right now, so you can probably hear it in my voice, but all right, summarize. um, don't trade on your phone. You have to trade in a focused environment. And to add to that, I'll say I only trade with a checklist, a pre-market checklist. So I'll start putting those in my videos, like as a download option. But I have a pre-market checklist, and I just pre-trade checklist just helps with the focus. 3, um, wait for the candles to close and use the 15-minute and the hourly bar. The 5-minute, there was way too much noise, wasn't good. Um, had to stop trading just the 5-minute and move to the 15-minute. And um, that's the biggest one for me, is just trading those bigger time frames, 15-minute and 30-minute and hourly. Um, and then what else? Wait for the bars to close. And 5, this is just a general thing. I know I said summarize, but I have to add this in, is just stop gambling. You can't treat this as an exciting thing where you gamble. Today I traded and I lost, and I stopped. And if you look at my 5 videos that are uploaded before this, they're all relatively small losses. I take my loss and I'm done for the day. And when I win pretty good. Had my last video was like a $600 win. I would have had a $500 win if I just stopped. In a lot of trades I take, this is a different video topic, but if I would have just stayed with them, I would make a killing. I would trade so much better if I just stayed with my positions. Or if I do take profits, look for another chance to get in with the same trade that made me those gains. Like, if there is a great money making environment and you have a great trade, oftentimes there will be 2 or 3 more chances to take that exact same setup. For me, because I love the ABC setup, like a flag, a pullback. On a day where the Nasdaq moves 150 to 200 points, or SPY moves 40 points, 50 points, 60 points, there might be a couple pullback opportunities to get in. Usually there is. So, different video topic. I do need to make a video about that. But yeah, you just can't gamble. For me, I'm realizing I am gambling. I am making trading exciting. It is. I can't do this thing that I so desperately want to do if I do that. So I'm learning to be more. I am being more patient, and I'm taking a loss, and I'm just going away, and I don't make any more dumb decisions on the virtual trading floor that way. And if I win, I gotta be very, not fall into that excitement trap. Also, just walk away, take a breather, and then only probably keep trying to trade the thing that won in the first place. I was going long NASDAQ. It was above prior day high. It was going way up. It was a non-farm payroll day. And I started trying to short RTY. Or no, I was trying to go long RTY too, but RTY was getting pushed down hard. And RTY, the Russell Futures Index, it was getting pushed down hard, and it was below prior day low. So I'm trying to go long. I was like, all right, it's going to be a bull day, but Russell doesn't correlate with the NASDAQ. So anyway, I've been rambling for 12 minutes. Kind of went all over the place in this video. Not my best, most coherent video, but I just want to keep making videos. It helps me to journal, do these video journals, and talk and get my ideas out there. And it's been 3 weeks, and I want to consistently upload. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know how your trading has been going. Let me know if you have struggled with some of the same things I've talked about in this video, what you did to work on them, because I would love to learn from my audience if you have any helpful pieces of advice. I hope that everyone is trading well and protecting their money. So yeah, hope everyone's doing good, having a good summer. Thank you so much for watching this, and happy trading. Bye.